Here are 30 simple sentences related to daily life using the future continuous tense. 1. I will be having breakfast at 8 a.m. tomorrow. 2. She will be attending a meeting in the afternoon. 3. They will be playing soccer in the evening. 4. He will be studying for his exams this weekend. 5. We will be watching a movie tonight. 6. I will be cooking dinner at 7 p.m. 7. She will be reading a book before bed. 8. They will be traveling to New York next week. 9. He will be working late tomorrow night. 10. We will be visiting our grandparents on Sunday. 11. I will be exercising at the gym in the morning. 12. She will be shopping for groceries after work. 13. They will be attending a concert this Friday. 14. He will be fixing his car over the weekend. 15. We will be hiking in the mountains next Saturday. 16. I will be cleaning the house tomorrow afternoon. 17. She will be practicing the piano in the evening. 18. They will be having a barbecue on Saturday. 19. He will be painting the fence this weekend. 20. We will be attending a wedding next month. 21. I will be taking a nap after lunch. 22. She will be gardening in the backyard tomorrow. 23. They will be playing board games tonight. 24. He will be walking the dog in the morning. 25th. We will be decorating the house for the party. 26. I will be attending a yoga class this evening. 27. She will be baking cookies for the bake sale. 28. They will be studying together for the test. 29th. He will be mowing the lawn this afternoon. 30. We will be planning our vacation during the weekend. These sentences illustrate how the future continuous tense can be applied to everyday activities, making it easier to understand and use in daily conversations.